अस्सलाम वालेकुम सभी दोस्तों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सभी दोस्तों का हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए। आज हमारा टॉपिक है गेट लाइफ बोनस टास्क लॉन्च पैड के प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू। अच्छा जी, गेट लॉन्च पैड 5 कोडीक के डी के कोमेट विद USDT and GUSDT 100% token unlock at distribution 2025 12 17 627 48 UTC 211929 viewers. Gate launch poll 5 Kodik KDK subscription is about to begin. Token subscribe in this round will be distributed using a 100% unlock method. This project support commitment with both GUSDT is a yield bearing assessed back by Treasury RWAs that offer continue return during the holding period. Mining APR 4% distributed daily GUSDT can directly use for this launchpad project, allowing user to participate in a new token offering while earning a stable yield. In addition, user who carefully subscribe to a launchpad project will be eligible for extra reward when participating in Simple Earn USDT product. Please prepare in advance to take part in this launchpad project. मेरा आज का प्रोजेक्ट है गेट लाइव बोनस टास्क लॉन्च पैड के प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू। के अच्छा जी, कोडेक इज a very vertically integrate decentralized liquidity platform powering token launch trading and advanced liquidity management. The best tokenized, including by Bera Chain, build a Bera accelerator and backed by over 5.3 M from a leading investor and include Hack VC Amber Group. VC Amber Group, Dosk, and Citizen X, back by over 90%. 90% support prep DEX market share on Berachain and stand as the network highlight revenue generalizing protocol. It fully stake DeFi suite span support and prep trending aggression automate liquidity management incentivize layer into compounding value validator and no code token deployment. Codic is a top 2 liquidate manager in the industry, top 16 DEX by TVL, 17 DEX by volume, becoming the signal and to end platform to every user DeFi journey. Total allocation 33030 KDK. Number of participant 5293. Event phase warm up 2025 12 17 13. Subscribe. Subscription series start 2025 12 19 30. Launchpad detail. Total supply 1203030 KDK. Allocation for USDT pool 212030 KDK. Allocation for GUSD pool 92030 KDK. Total commitment USDT 5753530 USDT. Total commitment USDT is 31530 GUSD. Cap per subscription USDT 21 30KDK कैप पर सब्सक्रिप्शन GUSDT 930KDK प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल Bera Roman has the technical background and over air full-time crypto experience initial building DEX to DEX aggregate boot and on-chain buy and hold strategy that utilize yield farming liquid provisioning and upgrade for maximize long-term exposure pair to Kadok Roadman founded and exit a gaming startup and then spend time on the investment team at a potential crypto VC. Highlight and vision. Kodik has 90% DEX market share on Berachain. Kodik is the highest revenue generating protocol on Berachain. Kodik has expanded product Kodik has an expanded product suite. Kodik support prep super aggregator EX automate liquid manager Iceland sustainable chain level incentives system auto BGT to Berachain validator intent based auto compounding valued no code token deployer panda factory Berachain BGT LST Beradio token Inocomics KDK is the native cryptographical inshore fungible protocol token of Kodik Finance ticker symbol KDK is a transferable representation of appropriate governance and utility functions specified in the protocol code of Kodik Finance and which is designed to be used solely as an interoperable utility token heroine. Maximum supply for KDK is 1203030 KDK can be acquired via swapping for KDK on the KDIC, DEX, or other supported exchange participating at gate launch pool. Redeeming tax for KDK X KDK is KDK redeeming is non-transferable in crowd governance. Technical overviews. Technical overview. Codic is the first verifiable intent integrate liquid platform combining the following layer: decentralized exchange, Codic, DEX, providing user with a non-custodial, highly capital efficient trading and liquidity provision experience powered by its contract and full range AMMS. Automate liquidity manager Codic Iceland attracting strictly deposit from the use age through our liquidity strategy value integrate incentive layer sweetened Iceland tapping into Verachain proof of liquidity pool mechanism to sustainable incentivize liquidity for Codic Iceland. No code token deployer factory Panda factory facilitating the permissionless deployment of new token and their internal, for example, memories liquidity on the Codic full range AMM ideal for highly volute assets whose price characterizes was undercovered BGT auto compounding volute Bilute ERC 4626 compatible smart yield maximizing yield bearing valute that help user automatically grow their Codic Iceland token super aggregator KX advance swap aggregator APL automatically finding the best route to swap whether or not it's a Codic liquidity pool decentralized perpetual exchange Codic prep enabling user to trade the most popular token with up to 100x leverage with pool powered incentives. Token allocation incentives including internal airdrop 21%, 25% upfront growth of 6 month cliff powered by a 36 month cliff followed by a 24 month Line Air West in XKDK. Core contributor 70% of zero upfront or zero followed by core contributor 17% 17% 0% upfront 6 month life followed by a 24-month line air vesting advisor 3% 0% upfront 36-month clap power by 24-month line air vest liquidity 5% 100% unlock at TGE foundation and ecosystem growth 15% 10% upfront a 0 month climb followed by a 24-month line air west public sale 3% TGE 100% vested. Risk warning. The Launchpad project is still in its initial stage. Factor including the operation and underlying technology of the project. The Launchpad project is still its initial stage. Factor including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulator activities might contribute to significant risk or gate. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and acute the inherent risk of crypto assist investment. The volatilities of market and the price of token might fluctuate drastically due to technical regulator and marketing factors extra. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchase token due to technical issue of the project of gate. सभी दोस्तों का बहुत शुक्रिया हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए। डेरा चेन नेटिव लिक्विडिटी हब लॉन्च ऐप एक्सप्लोर पांडा फैक्ट्री 24950 M plus total value lock 4B plus swap volume 100K plus active user. Launch trade and LP any assessed. Trader get the best trade execution and lowest slip page when trading on Bira chain. Protocol and liquid provider. Choose your LP strategy. Optimize for free efficiency. A full suite of trading and liquidity solution. Contractical and full range AMMS. Codic DEX provider user with non custodial highly capital efficient trading and liquidity provision experience. प्रॉफिट क्वीन ने हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया है। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम प्रॉफिट क्वीन। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए प्रॉफिट क्वीन। कोडिक आइसलैंड automate liquidity manager with set and forget strategies, leveraging Berachain pool to attract and sustain liquidity. Panda Factory, a personalized token developer with customizable bounding groove and unregulable liquidity seamless integrate with the Codic DEX. Perhaps trade the most popular token with up to 100x leverage with pool powered incentives. Validator, maintaining the overall security and value flow of Bira chain. Balut Codica native auto pounding Balut for BGT earning Codic Iceland that minimize yield. Out investor backed by the leading mids and trusted founder in Web3. ODA Capital, Robic Suma Capital, Shampi Tensor Capital, Trident Digital Wizard Capital, Cosmos Capital, Codic। प्रॉफिट क्वीन ने कमेंट किया है, मिस क्वीन हाउ आर यू। मैं बिल्कुल ठीक। प्रॉफिट क्वीन हाउ आर यू प्रॉफिट क्वीन। इंट्रोडक्शन कुडिक Bera chain native liquidity platform. Kotik is the first vertical integrated liquidity platform on Bera chain combining the following layer: decentralized exchange, Kodik DEX, providing user with a non-custodial, highly capital efficient trading and liquidity provision. Experience powered by its contracted and full range AMMS. Automate liquidity manager Kodik Iceland attracting stickily deposit from the average user through our set and forget automate contracted liquidity strategic value integrated incentive layer sweetened Iceland tapping into Bitcoin Bera chain proof of liquidity pool mechanism to sustain incentive liquidity of Kodik Iceland. No code token developer factory Panda factory facilitating the permissionless development of new token and their initial stage. Memo coin liquidity on the Kodik full range AMM ideal for highly volatile assets whose price characteristics are undercovered. BGT auto compounding valute ERC 4626 compatible smart yield maximize yield bearing valute that help user automatically grow their Kodik Iceland token. Super aggregator KX advanced swap aggregator and API automatically finding the best route to swap. Aggregator and API automatically finding the best route to swap, whether or not it's in a Kodik liquidate pool, decentralized people exchange, Kodik prep enabling user to trade the popular most popular token with up to 100 leverage with pool powered incentives. Kodik X Birachain. Why Birachain? Kodik is the only DEX in incubated by Birachain. Build a Bira accelerator program with the mandate of providing Birachain a solute of token launching trade and liquid provisioning solution. Bera chain solution. Bera chain is highly uh, preform EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain secure by its novel pool consent mechanism for a traditional delegate proof of stake DPoS. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। वालेकुम अस्सलाम क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। हाउ आर यू क्रिप्टो चैंपियन? Network stakeholder and user must compromise between staking the network governance token with the validator set to provide security for contributing liquidate to the network. Decentralized application, however, with pool, the only way to gain the network governance token BGT is by providing liquidate to a set of wished application liquidate pool and or valute on the chain. As a result, pool provide solution that enable liquidate grow in tandem with staking. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, मैंने आपको रिप्लाई दिया है लेकिन मेरा रिप्लाई सेंड नहीं हुआ। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, मैंने आपसे पूछा है हाउ आर यू। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सभी दोस्तों का हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए। The initial stage of wish list application start with the chain owner DEX, BEX, Perpetual Future Exchange. Exchange Commission and lending platform banned but will quickly expand to any smart contract deploy. governs developer team to ensure that Kodik Iceland will be compatible with VeraChain proof of liquid pool concern mechanism. Kodik and BEX are not compatible by meant to be complementary with each other by design backs a full range liquid solution. Additionally, one of the major concern of contract liquid in the pool system is that user could sable farm BGT emission by providing contract liquid that is either always out of range or in a very tight range. This is where Kodik comes in with its unique Iceland product by leveraging our suffocate back and infrastructure. Kodik Iceland are automate valued design to dynamical adjust contract liquidate uptime. Codico also leverage liquidate on BEX when an Iceland need to be rebalanced Iceland for free user from the need for constant manual investment. While also scoring Bera chain with deep and in range. Contracted liquidity. contact us. How to reach out to us. Whether you are an upcoming project planning to launch on Berachain or an existing protocol looking for a new text to extend your reach. Please contact us on Discord or email us at partnership@kodak.finance. Kodak contract. Kodak Parachain Bennett deployment. Uniswap VC Factory. Uniswap V2 Factory. Non-fungible position manager. Swap router. Swap router 2. Uniswap V2 router 02. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने ज्वाइन क्रिप्टो डेजी ने ज्वाइन किया है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. क्रिप्टो डेजी. Uniswap V2 router 02 quarter V2 Uniswap V2 router 02 quarter V2 mixed road vector V1 KX router KXEXE scooter ticketless lens multi-call 3 Kodak Iceland factory Kodak Iceland router initial hash code V2 initial hash code V3 Kodak Iceland router initial hash code V2 initial hash code V3 Kodak Iceland Kodak Farm Factory Kodak Farm XKDK Panda Factory Balut Factory Bounty Helper Berachain Primary Token Deb BW Vera Address Kodak Bipolia Test Net Deployment Name Uniswap V3 factory, Uniswap V2 factory, non-fungible position manager, a swap router, swap router 2, Uniswap V2, router 2, quarter V2, mixed router, quarter V1, ticket lens, multi-call 3, Codic, Iceland factor, Codic Iceland, Codic Farm Factory, Codic Farm XKDK, Codic Beko Q4.69 is here. Codic Boeco deposit into Codic Iceland pre-launch. Help Codic bootstrap liquidate on all of the hottest assets pre-chain minute. What is Boeco? What is Boeco? Boeco is a blockchain ecosystem campaign enabling protocol to bootstrap liquidity 1 to 2 weeks prior to blockchain minute launch pool. Our partner Athena Stackton Servicor Abrobra Bedrock Dinero ETH Fee Akron Beraboro USDTO Infrared Solvi Cyan Elvon Labs Lobombrad FBTC Swill Lorenzo Clip Connectory Boeco overview as blockchain makes it panel spring toward minute launch the Boeco campaign task take center stage as a chain wide intensive designed to help application such as Codic liquidity from day one deployment. This ensure that we focus on innovation and grow within the blockchain ecosystem without being bogged down by early liquidity challenge. The the program Dragonfly 2 ने कमेंट किया है कैन ETH go log मे बी ड्रैगन फ्लाई। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से कमेंट आया है, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर प्रोजेक्ट। The program also empower liquidate providing LPS by offering a streamlined way to explore the allocate their capital across a variety of protocol. LPS can easily filter opportunity based on access, tap, lock, duration, application categories, and return profile, ensuring flexibility and alignment with their personal yield strategic. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से कमेंट आया है, यू डूइंग गुड जॉब, मे अल्लाह ब्लेस यू एंड योर फैमिली। आमीन सुमा आमीन। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, मे अल्लाह ब्लेस यू एंड योर फैमिली। क्रिप्टो डेजी ने कमेंट किया है, गुड वर्क, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Bira chain has comment 2% of a Bira supply for the Boeco program. Full detail can be found in their blog post here. Bira chain Boeco इमाम चोटी आईबी ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। इमाम चोटी बी, छोटी बी, वेलकम इमाम छोटी बी। Codic X Boeco. Codic is the one of the wish list protocol participating in the Boeco Champion. 3% of the Codic supply in the form of KDK is allocated to participating Boeco market. Allocate personality to point multiplier varies for each market and range between 1x12. Dogesh Bhai says, can ETH go long? Maybe my brother. ETH may go long. There are 48 Boyko market where all of your quotation of your user deposit with flow into the Kodik DEX on Birachain. Ban it. All of this Boyko market will have a lockup period of 90 days starting from Birachain minute launch. Launch of ecosystem for Boyko and XKDK. Incentive will be awarded for or no clap at the end of the market experience. क्रिप्टो डेजी ने हमें कमेंट किया है, आई लव हाउ I love how your life isn't just about showing growth, your radiant confidence and peace, and it encourage everyone watching to chase their goal fearlessly. Keep shining and you are doing amazing. Thank you so much, Crypto Daisy, for your beautiful comment. डेजी सन डराप ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है, हेलो वेलकम डेजी सन डराप। ये क्रिप्टो डेजी, वो डेजी सन डराप। ऑल लिक्विडेट कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस all liquidate and conference incentive be award of clap at the end of the market expiration of SDK. Its Cortec non-transferable escrow governance token. Codic official TGE KDK neither can be stake nor converted to KDK. The liquid version of the Codic token. क्रिप्टो डेजी ने कमेंट किया है, दैट्स लाइव सेशन wasn't just entertaining, it was inspiring. You have this amazing way of making people feel comfortable and connect. It's just not what you say, it's how you say it. Claim confidence and full of warm. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो डेजी। ऑल liquidity deposit in Kodik Bayako market bring over to Berachain and deposit into a correspond Kodik. All liquidate deposit Bayako market will be bridge over to Vira chain and deposit of every Iceland have a pre-pushal define strategic by which the liquidate will be deployed in a Kodak pool contract liquidate. Each Iceland have a script token ERC20 in some select Boyko market. These receipt token are also stake with Interact and are additionally incentivized by Infrara. There are our flagship pool and infrared X Kodik. Kodik subscription rule. Base detail project Kodik token assemble KDK token total allocation 33030 KDK USDD pool 70% to 12030 KDK GUSD pool 30% 1900 000 KDK. Subscription method support commitment with USDT and GUSD maximum per commitment 10 USDT 10 GUSDT. Subscription fees 1 KDK 0.35 GUSD 1 KDK 0.35 GUSDT don't have GUSDT mined now. Subscription period December 19, 2025 8 UTC December 21, 2025 8 UTC per user allocation cap USDT pool 2130 KDK GUSD pool 9000 KDK. Eligible user must complete identity verification and meet the maximum participation requirement. Distribution KDK token will be distributed before December 22, 2025 8 UTC. Support trending start December 23, 2025 14 UTC. Trending pair KDK USDT. Unlock method unlock 100%. Distribution rule. Token allocation is calculated based on each user hourly leverage look amount during the subscription period. Relate into the project total average commitment amount error participation result in a higher allocation. Calculating formula hourly average lock amount total hourly lock amount snapshot. Example assuming a 24-hour subscription period during the plan of commit 10030 USDT. User commit to the 1 hour and keep fund lock throughout log amount 1302030x48x 12030 USDT. User B commit after 24 and hold until the end. Leverage token log amount 1030 24 48 50 USDT. GateLab investment disclosure. GateLab has not participated in the investment of Codic KDK. Note: Launchpad project are early stage blockchain intensive and may involve significant risk related to operation, technology, and regulator environment. Cryptocurrency investment carry high throughout sale adoption and public and fair launch model still risk before participating. Browser fund inclusion account has sub account are not support and launch participation. Evolution early stage blockchain require advanced technical and financial knowledge. Project price may fluctuate significant technical market and another factory. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने ज्वाइन किया है, गुड वर्क डेयर, थैंक यू क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। Cryptocurrency project involve high risk and price commit guarantee against price drop. Yahoo platform strongly recommend in case of any discrepancy between the translated version and the English version, the English version shall prevail. Gate reserves to the final right to the interpretation for this event. User in the United UK and the other restricted region cannot access all or part of the service. For detail is referred to the user agreement. Gate team December 17, 2025. Gateway to crypto. Trade over crypto trade over 4,100 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and climb up to 1030 in welcome reward. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Visit Gate's official website, download the Gate app desktop, follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses, join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics, engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of free service. आज का मेरा प्रोजेक्ट था गेट लाइफ बोनस टास्क लॉन्च पूल प्रोजेक्ट कोडिक KDK। तो आप सबसे उम्मीद करती हूँ कि पसंद आया होगा। कल मिलते हैं एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।